Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant shares three important updates on Saturday. Firstly, the Chief Minister extended his greetings on the occasion of Navratri. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and said the following: Greetings and good wishes to the people of Goa on the occasion of Navratri. May this auspicious festival bring happiness and prosperity in your lives. Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant on the occasion of International Day for the Eradication of Poverty sends out a message to all. CM took to social media and said the following: Goa has always had the lowest poverty rate in the country. Even in the times of distress, our state government has shielded the needy and deprived. On the occasion of International Day for the Eradication of Poverty, let us show more compassion towards the poor and act together towards social justice for all. Dr. Pramod Sawant on Saturday also met people across the state to understand their issues and address their difficulties. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.